हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। संतोष प्रभु, दंडवत प्रणाम। आनंदनी राधारानी माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा। मैं एक ऑफिस कॉल से निकला, इसके अंदर घुसा। सुबह से अब कॉल्स पे कॉल चल रहे हैं मेरे। मुझे बीच में एकदम से दंडवत प्रणाम बोलने में मुश्किल हो रहा है। क्योंकि ऑफिस कॉल्स में हेलो हाय बोलते हैं ना। हरे कृष्णा। पूरी दुनिया, दूसरी दुनिया के लोग हैं माता जी हम लोग। वो दुनिया से ये दुनिया में, ये दुनिया से वो दुनिया में जाने में कभी कभी थोड़े दिन पहले नहीं, मतलब जॉब ज्वाइन होने के बाद मैं एक बहुत ही सीरियस मेल का रिप्लाई लिखला था। पूरा लिखने के बाद यूर सर्वेंट लीलाराम दास बोल के लिख दिया। वो लोग सोच रही है ये कौन है।
नहीं प्रभु जी, वो सोच रहे होंगे परफेक्ट पर्सन मिला है हमें। कम से कम हम हमारा सर्वेंट मिल गया हमको।
हरे कृष्ण। चलो
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। दिस इज मी,
प्रभु जी।
दिस इज मी एट माय ऑफिस। Hare Krishna. I was just saying, literally, I stopped a call, I got into this call.
Oh.
And the transitioning is from how to make material money from how to spend it for Janmashtami.
I just got off call with Praveen Prabhuji. I was telling him today, whole day did nothing in office, I said.
Really? Prabhuji, I'll join your office, Prabhuji, if you don't mind.
Yeah, come over, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
11th session translation is what the whole day I was doing.
Oh, really? Prabhuji, your translations are different from Mahesh Prabhu's, is it?
No, Prabhuji, he did up till 9th.
Acha, acha.
So 10th session, I did the majority of it. Session he did. So I'm copying it into the PowerPoints.
Oh, really? Acha, acha, acha.
Registering and all that. Then we have to give it for proofreading.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. 1 minute, Prabhuji, I'll just be back. 1 minute. They told that somebody in my college days told me that, if you study well, you don't have to join call center. Hare Krishna.
Okay. You don't have to join call center. Okay.
Yeah, but all of them lied. That's what I understood.
All like doing call center jobs only now.
This is like, look at me. I'm in a call center only, right?
Hare Krishna, Praveen Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Praveen Prabhu, Dandavат Pranam, Prabhuji.
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। लक्ष्मी लीला प्रभु दंडवत प्रणाम। दंडवत प्रणाम।
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhuji. I'm logging in from my office computer, so it's a little different. Yeah. Okay. So I think we have the core audience, right? We have each community represented by different leaders. So we have Anandi Mataji for Abra. We have Subbarao Prabhu, Praveen Prabhu 3, myself Avatar, Santosh Prabhu for ECIL, and then Neelam Mataji for entire township of what is it?
ग्रीन आइकॉन या अलकापुर।
Alkapuri township. We are just splitting areas at our own way.
प्रभु जी, मुझे पता नहीं है कितने लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, वो जूम भी डाउनलोड करेंगे नहीं करेंगे। और प्रभु जी, हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग रेंट पे रहते हैं। वो क्या है, हर 6 महीने में कोई इधर से चेंज करके उधर जाता है, उधर से चेंज करके उधर जाता है। बहुत सारे लोगों को हमें पता भी नहीं, उनका नंबर भी नहीं पता है। इस समय जाके पूछेंगे भी तो लोग क्यों दें आपको।
नहीं, वही अभी बात करना कैसे करने वाले हैं। How are we going to do? We'll discuss now. So today we had a meeting between Avatar thing. Avatar में जो ग्रुप है, मतलब मैं हूँ और मेरे साथ और एक 3-4 more are there, I will speak in English. I could just see Subbarao
Yes,
Prabhu, touching
Yes,
his nose.
Prabhuji, yes.
Right? So, yeah. So basically, I had a meeting with Avatar team, and we came up with how to go about and do it, right? So did you all first of all see um,
Invitation.
the invitation? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Okay. No, are you saying yes, Prabhuji? Because just like that, yes, Prabhuji, or actually it is okay?
No, no, we'll use the same thing, Prabhuji. It's wonderful.
Okay, it is a creation of Lakshmikant Prabhu ki jai. Yeah. So let's open this. See, briefly, I know you all went through it, but just to see, everything else in the top is the same, right? Everything else in the top is the same, right the way all the way to the bottom, excepting this particular portion where it is mentioned as avatar. It will be mentioned as Abra. It will be mentioned as trend set. It will be mentioned as green grace, green iconia, ECIL, something like that, right? And there is a WhatsApp group name that I've given here, even for your communities. You can try to use the same, right? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
And
already created for Trendset. Oh, great. We will use it, Prabhuji. Hari bol.
the
No,
Janmashtami
you have to
Trendset,
create.
you have to create. I've just given the name that you can use there.
No, no, there is one banner for Trendset.
Yeah, invitation is created.
Are Prabhuji, all the banners are there. This is for Trendset. This is, if you can see the screen, this is for Green Grey, this is for Abra, this is for Yaditya, this is for Aspire, this is for Green Iconia, Tirumala Hills, Nakshatra, and ECIL. All of them are there. And we even kept the the proposed name for the WhatsApp group, because I just wanted to be done with the banner. That's why. And we even kept the primary number, like this is Santosh Aditya Prabhu's number, right? And in case of Nakshatra, this is Haripriya Mataji's number, right? You have the whole thing here, Nakshatra. So like that, even for Trendset, we have, this is Suma Mataji's number, and here it is Janmashtami at Trendset, like that. So you have to create a WhatsApp group with this name, okay? So respective WhatsApp groups you have to create. Then what you have to do is, here this invite also I've sent. You can copy this whole thing, this content, right from the bottom to the top. You can copy this content. Everything will be same, except 2-3 places you have to change. One is the here the WhatsApp group link is there, right? Here the link is there. You have to replace this link with your created link.
Hari bol.
Okay, and then you have to, there is no Zoom ID mentioned here. Zoom ID we can mention as we go forward. Here you can mention your phone numbers of the key people so that they can call when they want to have any questions, or you can have 1 or 2 or 3 or more, because there are many blocks here. I kept one for each block, like, right? And yeah, so these are the main 2 changes you have to do. Your thing you have to change here, and you have to change your WhatsApp group name here. Everything else is the same. Automatically, when you keep that, what do you call that? The link, this will come up. The title will come automatically at Janmashtami at My Home Avatar. Janmashtami at Trendset, right? It will just pop up like that. So I did send an Excel sheet last time, right? Wait a second. Let me open that. So Janmashtami planning. This is my office computer, so I don't have that. Yeah. So
you want me to open it?
Yeah, I have it opened. Okay, I can share this now. Okay, let me just wait a second. I have to stop share and then share again, right? Okay. So this was the Excel sheet that we had updated in terms of the primary family and the supporting families for each one of them, right? So were you able to contact your supporting families so far?
Yeah, we already created a group. The name is instead of Green Grace, it is GG. So waiting for this. I already had a discussion with the community council.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Sending it out tomorrow. From tomorrow, we'll start acting on it.
Mm.
Spoke to a few other people also in the community. Should be okay.
So Subbarao Prabhu is on top of everything. So no
I
need to
know,
worry.
nothing wrong.
No need to worry.
Right, today I didn't do anything. So.
Prabhuji, Praveen Prabhu, Soma Mataji, where do you stand? Are you
Yeah,
okay?
Prabhuji, we have not sent anything. Weekend we'll send Prabhuji. And again, we'll send it to the community using Suma's contacts and also to the maintenance office to send an email to everybody.
But why weekend, Prabhuji? Why are you wasting 3 more days?
Prabhuji, I'm not getting time, Prabhuji. I have a meeting at
Are
9:30 again.
Prabhuji, you just have to forward. It's already done. Kya hai? What is there to wait?
Okay, Prabhuji, I'll try tonight.
See,
Try tonight.
we have seen this, right? I've just now shown you, right? We have the poster ready for Trendset. We have the write-up also ready. You just have to create a WhatsApp group and change the link and change the numbers below.
I'll send it tonight. I'll send it
Send it. No, because I'll tell you why, Prabhuji. Not everybody will join. Initially, they'll see it like some threat, right?
Why, Prabhuji? Why people do this threat?
I don't know. My experience. Maybe my face is like that. They always talk with the threat.
Hare Krishna, why, Prabhuji?
I don't know. So basically, people will not join. Then you have to tell them, I'm not a threat. I'm your well-wisher. I don't need your land, not your property, no original documents, nothing. You just have to sign up. All that we have to do. So that whole thing, by the time we encourage them, it will be like a lot of time. Right? So better to send it.
I'm thinking, what will be the role of supporting family 1, 2, 3, Prabhuji? What will they do?
So I'll show you something that we did today. Wait a second.
Because all I'm thinking is Zoom will be there. We'll just I can also, Suma can take snapshot and be done with it, right?
No. Wait. It's not Asana, Baba. Let me show you. Okay, Janmashtami planning, right? This one, yeah. Today afternoon meeting we had this. So, where is that? Wait a second. 1 minute, Prabhuji. I'll show you the. This was MHA Janmashtami. Yeah,
on the
this
top
one.
of this.
This one, MHA Janmashtami. Can you see a different sheet now? No, you can't see. Okay. No, I have to share one sheet at a time. That is a problem. 1 minute.
Leelan Prabhuji, we need a pivot table.
No, you do whatever table you want. I don't. I don't trust Microsoft. So, Prabhuji, see, you need to have one sheet like this, something like this, for collecting the names.
Yes.
Okay. Before we going there, I'll tell you the activities. Now, everybody, please focus here. Anandri Mataji, please, everybody, just focus on these activities. These are the main ones. Are you able to see in your screen? Let me make it a little.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. See, these are the activities. Okay. So starting today through 8th of August, if I look at the calendar, are you able to see the calendar on my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So see, here is Janmashtami. Janmashtami is 12th. Okay. So until 9th, our entire job will be getting people, registering them, talking to them until 9th. Okay. 10th and 11th is all about sending it to them, their numbers, when they have to perform all that. And 12th is the, Janmashtami day. Okay. So these are the activities that we primarily have to do. You also have to do something like this. We kept like 10 owners. We only filled few so far, but we'll be encouraging others also. I'll tell you why this is needed. Okay. Number one, sending the invites, right? So we all are going to send the invites in different groups that we know of the same community. Because there are some subgroups, there are some more groups, there are some crazy groups, all kinds of groups are there. So we'll try to reach as many groups as possible. First, one person will send the groups, like Balaji Prabhu. In case of our avatar, he is the one who sent to the groups. Okay. Now, me, Prasad Prabhu, Arvind Prabhu, Ramesh Prabhu, we all will be sending it in all the other groups that we know. Okay, Prabhuji. So this is about sending, and this invite will be sending with reminders also. Now, right now, the invite, if you look at it, it's a big write-up by me, right? Now, I'm not talking the poster. I'm saying the WhatsApp invite. You will try to decrease it, shrink it, and innovatively, you'll create your own invites, and you'll keep sending them once in 2-3 days. Register, like that. Okay. So this work of sending invites and reminders will remain through August 8th. From now till then, almost like 2.5 weeks. Okay. And once from next week on, because next week on we'll see, like for example, if you see the calendar, this whole, we are where we are at 22nd, right? From 3rd of August, from here, like 2 weeks, we'll allow them to just join the group. From 3rd of August, some of us will start, we'll have to, depending on the size of the community, we'll have to break the responsibility of calling 50 by 1 person, 50 by 1 person, like that. And we'll have to make the calls to them and then fill a registration sheet, which is nothing but this registration sheet, where we are saying the participant name, the block number, flat number, their mobile number. And while we talk, we'll ask, what are you planning to offer or do? And any other things. And any other things. 1 minute, probably 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, probably. So this is a sheet that everybody calling can have a template with them, and they have to fill this up and then consolidate. Right. So this is a second activity of calling them. Almost like 7-8 days, right? In that 7-8 days, you can choose 2-3 days and basically cover everybody who joins. There can be few outside the community also, if you so allow it, but depending on the size of the community again. So at this point, as of 8th August, we will get to know how many people are actually going to come, right? Actually interested, right? It might be 100, it might be 200, etc., right? Then on 2nd of August, we'll do something like a mock trial. Within your community, you'll have to do using a Zoom. Just ask everyone to join just for half an hour time and tell them how to on their video, how to on their this, how to on their that you can decide. And on the actual execution will happen on August by the execution team. I'll talk about this team also. Then on the same day, we'll also be capturing the pictures on the Zoom. Somebody will be taking screenshots if it's a computer and storing it, and then send it and collate all of them and send it to Lakshmikant Prabhu by 16th. That is the plan. Okay. So for this, there will be a separate responsibility. We have to assign. We have not kept the names yet because we want to give more services to others. So I have a Sunday satsang. On that day, I will be asking more volunteers, and who knows, there might be more who will come. So we'll assign them. Now let me tell you that on the actual execution day, there is a discussion that we had today. See, Prabhus, what is going to happen is, say we get 100 people. Okay. We are telling that the actual offering time is 100. Sorry, actual offering time is 1 minute. Okay. But invariably, 1 minute before that and 1 minute after that, 3 minutes will be eaten up. Okay. Why? Because 3 minutes will be eaten up. Why? Because a lot of people will not click on the record button. Sorry, will not click on the video button, or they'll click on something else. And while we invite them, we'll also invite them and ask them to chant Hare Krishna mantra once. And today I got a call from Varada Krishna Prabhu. He was saying we should also show the live temple, where Radha Krishna are being worshipped, so that when they do the offering, they can see the temple, Radha Krishna, do pranam and do the offering. And we can, at the end, we can say, your offering is accepted by Lord Krishna. Something like that, right? It might be a small box that will come up here, or it might be all tab, and you show another window, Radha Krishna live from Abbott's. Okay. He told it will be a live feed on YouTube. So we can keep that open on our computer. And from Zoom, we can switch to that and then switch back so that they can do the offering. Right? So this whole thing, if we keep 3 hours, initially we told, right, 5 to 8 or something like that. If we keep 3 hours, there is a very good possibility that people will actually, people might actually lose their opportunity, right? Their number might be coming little later, or this session will grow into the next session. There can be overlap, all that. So instead of that, what we were thinking, let us first collect the number of names. And if it is crossing 60, 70, then we will start the whole thing for the community at 12 o'clock in the noon, right? Around 12 o'clock we'll start, and from 12 o'clock it will go on till whatever time it takes, the same single session. It will keep going on 6 hours, 7 hours, depending on the size of the community, until everybody finishes their offerings. It might be evening, it might be afternoon, right? And the request numbers will be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 201, 220, whatever. It keeps going on until it finishes. People might choose to stay, or people might leave. right? So we will tell that people who have done the offering, some of you can leave and join YouTube, so that available participants on Zoom will remain, right? On YouTube also will go live, so people can see it on YouTube if they already done the offering, so that the other new participants can join and everybody gets an opportunity. That is the idea.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Okay, and one more thing I forgot to tell. 1 minute, Mataji. One more thing I forgot to tell. In terms of comparing the whole activity also, we may need many volunteers doing 1 hour at a time, because we'll get tired. Whoever is doing that comparing, it will be a continuous activity. You know, encouraging everybody to join, family to join. Haribol, thank you, Praveen Prabhu, for joining. So what is your offering today? First, you have a look at Radha Krishna live from ISKCON Abbots. Look at them. Hare Krishna. Let's chant all of us. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Yes, Praveen Prabhu. So your family, what are you going to do? I will sing a song. Okay, please sing a song. 1 minute only. And then after singing the song, okay, thank you, Praveen Prabhu. May Lord Radha and Krishna bless you. And you make a lot of spiritual progress, and you also learn Bhagavad Gita. And then we end. Okay, next, Subharao Prabhu, Haribol, like that it will be, you know. So the person comparing will be very active, and he'll be tired in 1 hour. Right? So we may have to switch that role. We may have to have multiple options, and sometimes some people might have office calls, right? We still live in a planet where Janmashtami is not a holiday. So we will have to bear with that, you know. So we may have to switch. So this comparing role, we may have to give to multiple, and they will get trained as they see the first person. So the best person in the lot do the first one. So everybody else sees how to do it, live training, and then they will continue. But it should be like a very jolly, lively person should do it.
Say hello.
Okay, Sumit Prabhu ki jai, Haribol.
Sukirti వచ్చింది Sukirti. Sumedh, happy birthday Sumedh.
Where is Sumit?
Sumedh.
Where is our birthday boy? What did you give him? Prabhuji, did you give him 1 glass of milk on my behalf?
No, we gave him Junnu. Come here. Come here, Prabhuji is calling. Come here.
Sumit Prabhu, Haribol.
Haribol.
How are you?
Good Prabhuji.
Bhavana.
Where is the cake? Where is my cake? Where am I getting it?
Prabhuji is asking, did you drink extra milk today? He told him he ate Junnu.
Thank you, Nana. May God bless you. May Krishna bless you. Become a great devotee. Yes. So, yes, Prabhuji. Yeah, you can ask your. Sorry,
Questions.
Yeah, now we can. Now the forum is open. Yeah, this one, right? No, not this one. This one. Yeah. Yeah, Damodar Priya Mataji, you were going to say something. Sorry, I interrupted you.
No, I'm actually still trying to understand. So Zoom call, like how many people can we accommodate? Because 100 is the limit, right?
Yeah, that's what Mataji. So the people who have given the offering, will encourage them to leave the Zoom call and join the YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if my community, I don't know, my goal, Krishna's wills, if I get like 100, and like each community, like, you know, we have 10 other communities. So are we all collaborating like all in one Zoom call?
No. It's different Zooms. You organize your own Zoom, you do your execution separately.
Okay. But we're all going to be connecting on the same time, like from
It
5
depends
to 8.
again. Your community will decide when you want to be connected. Say, for example, Mataji, after all the hard work, you get only 50 people, right? I'm just saying.
Right.
Then you don't have to start at 12 o'clock in the noon. You can as well start 5 o'clock in the evening and finish it in
Makes sense.
3 hours, right? But if your community is getting 300 people, right? Then you may have to start early because you don't want to miss anybody.
Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Something like that. Yeah. So you will need a big brigade team. Of course, if it had been a actual Janmashtami celebration, we would have many more tasks here. Buy vegetables, cut vegetables, cook vegetables, serving, who will do serving, who will get plates, who will do wrap up. All that typical thing we are away now, right? So we have the main coordination happening on the actual execution day. And I'll tell you, one of the biggest activity will be this, right? The second one, calling every family. Like the same DCS way, we have to call, take ownership and encourage people to join. So that is something that we have to do. So did you, okay, let me ask, I mean, did you all call each other, and where do we stand? Like, have you started formulating your teams that we have kept here? Let's start with the first one. Praveen Prabhu, Udayanand Prabhu and Surendra Prabhu, Srikant Prabhu, did they
No,
appear?
Prabhuji. No, we have not. Tomorrow, Prabhuji. Today night I'll send all the things. Tomorrow I'll call.
Okay. So Subbara Prabhu, yourself,
And
you already started. You already.
I didn't call, but we already are chatting on the WhatsApp.
Okay, very great. So I think you have to set up some calls between you.
Yeah, we didn't do the call.
Yeah. And Anandini Mataji, could you get in touch with Jyoti Mataji and Sucharita Mataji?
Sucharita Mataji has already created the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
But I have not been able to contact Jyoti Mataji for some reason. And I had a question. You were saying that we will need many more people. Like you were giving the example of my home avatar, and there are different names there. So I was, my question was that do we encourage more volunteers for whatever service within the community, or we depend on our core group?
First choice is, Mataji, you will definitely need these three people at least, Sucharita Mataji and Poonam Mataji, because they understand our mood and it will be easy for you to explain things. And you will have to choose a lot of them from the current community for two reasons. One, we don't have so many to support in our own group. Second, I think if they get service, they will get taste of service.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So they will become actually the next core group when you start preaching in that community. These people who will serve in this initiative will definitely join the preaching initiative also.
So which service can we give them? Because like you're saying that,
So the service is, I just shown, right, sometime back, to sending the invite. Second is calling them. Okay. And you said that she has already created a WhatsApp group. Is that WhatsApp group for all of you to discuss, or is the WhatsApp group in which people are going to join?
For all of us to discuss.
Okay. So then you have to still create a WhatsApp group in which people are going to join. And that link, the name of the WhatsApp group, I already mentioned it down. I think it's Janmashtami at Abra or My Home Abra. Uska jo link hai, you have to keep in that write-up that I sent and start posting. Yeah.
Thank you.
And any other? Okay, we'll go to the next one. Anybody from Aditya DSR who's come?
Prabhuji, I have a meeting to go.
Yes. I think we are done. We just want to take a stock of any questions. Otherwise, if anybody has, Neelam Mataji.
No, Prabhuji, I am clear, Prabhuji. I know.
You are clear, right? Yeah. I think. Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. आपको सब समझ में आ गया माता जी?
प्रभु जी वैसे तो समझ में आ गया, पर ऐसा मुझे भी लगता है कि प्रभु जी मैं और शीर्षा माता जी अकेले नहीं कर सकते प्रभु जी।
नहीं, आप शीर्षा माता जी है, लावण्या माता जी, गिरिराज प्रभु भी, हमको पकड़ो। पहले एक टीम
कन्विंस करना है।
और माता जी आपके प्रभु से बोलो एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का स्क्रिप्ट लिख देंगे सभी।
प्रभु जी तो रहेंगे, प्रभु जी आप उनको जानते नहीं हो, वो सब बैक बेंचर्स ही हैं हमारी तरह।
अरे कृष्णा।
और वन मोर थिंग प्रभु जी कि कुछ जैसे कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको सिर्फ हिंदी ही समझ में आती है, कुछ ऐसे हैं सिर्फ तेलुगु ही समझ में आती है, तो उनको किस तरीके से मैसेजेस में भेजूं प्रभु जी?
वहाँ तो इंग्लिश बात करना पड़ेगा फिर।
तो वही प्रभु जी, तो क्या मुझे पर्सनल मतलब बार उनको पर्सनल मैसेजेस करने पड़ेंगे कि अभी आपको ऐसे ज्वाइन करना है, तो ऐसे करना है, तो ऐसे करना है, तो थोड़ा
अच्छा आपके ग्रुप
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जा रहा है
कम्युनिटी के अंदर वो तो चैलेंज रहेगा माता जी।
वेट अ मिनट आशी।
हाँ, किसी से आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ेगा, किसी से तेलुगु में, और तेलुगु तो शायद आशी देख लेगी।
She don't know प्रभु जी, थोड़ा बहुत जानती है।
और राजू प्रभु जी देख सकते हैं।
हाँ राजू प्रभु जी से।
राइट। एंड आप चालू कीजिए, अगर आपको सच्ची में लग रहा है दिक्कत हो रहा है, आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है, एक हफ्ते के बाद हम में से कोई ना कोई आपको ज्वाइन कर लेगा।
हाँ प्रभु जी, मैंने आज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया है।
हाँ,
तो उसमें आई एम एडिंग सम कुछ लोगों को ऐड कर रही हूँ प्रभु जी।
हाँ।
और दो तीन लोगों को मैंने कॉल किया, तो दे आर रेडी। फिर आगे ऐसे ही कॉल करते रहेंगे, देखते
हाँ
रहेंगे प्रभु जी
माता
कितने
जी,
लोग
वो
ऐड हो
खुद ब खुद ज्वाइन होंगे, आपको कॉल करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो ज्वाइन होने के बाद आपको कॉल करना है।
रहे हैं। अच्छा
वो जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का जो मैंने भेजा था अभी, देखिए मैं फिर से
प्रभु जी,
दिखा।
मुझे डर लगता है कि लोग कहेंगे कि ऐसे मेरे से पूछा नहीं, कहाँ मुझे ज्वाइन, मतलब कहाँ मुझे ऐड कर लिया।
नहीं नहीं, इसीलिए तो कह रहा हूँ वो खुद ऐड होंगे, आपको ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है। देखो अभी जो मैं फिर से दिखा रहा हूँ, मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है माता जी आपको? हाँ, इसमें जो मैंने दिखाया था, अब देखिए ये जो ये देखिए, ये जो मैसेज मैंने लिख रखा है यहाँ पे, ये आप मैसेज आपके ग्रुप में भेजोगे, सेम रहेगा पूरा। सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो आपका जो नया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनेगा उसका लिंक यहाँ लगाते ही यहाँ क्या होगा, ये जन्माष्टमी @ ग्रीन आइकॉन या बोल के आ जाएगा यहाँ पे अपने आप। ठीक है, तो फिर लोगों को क्या करना है, ये पूरा मैसेज उनके पास जाएगा ना, यहाँ पे क्लियरली लिखा है, यू ऑल कैन क्लिक ऑन द व्हाट्सएप लिंक बिलो एंड ज्वाइन द सेलिब्रेशन। ये क्लिक करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली ये ग्रुप में चला जाएगा। देखिए ऑलरेडी 2-3 लोग ज्वाइन हो गए हमारे ग्रुप में।
ओके ओके प्रभु
ठीक है,
जी।
ये अवतार का ग्रुप है, तो इसमें सभी लोग ज्वाइन होंगे। तो ये नंबर पकड़ के, यहाँ पे जो नंबर है, ये नंबर पकड़ के देन यू विल कॉल देम। सिर्फ उन्हीं को कॉल करना है जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
ओके ओके
हाँ,
ठीक है प्रभु जी।
या फिर आपके नेबर हैं, जानते नहीं है, वो व्हाट्सएप ज्यादा देखते नहीं है, या फिर ये सब कुछ समझते नहीं है, तो थोड़ा गाइड करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए हमारे पास अभी पूरे मिला के 15 दिन है हमारे पास, 15 days वी हैव टू गेट एज मेनी एज वी कैन इनटू दिस। ये पहला एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा सभी का ऐसा कुछ करने का, तो थोड़ी हिचकिचाहट होगी, मतलब करना है नहीं करना है।
एक्चुअली मैंने खुद भी नहीं किया है प्रभु जी कभी, तो मुझे खुद हो रहा है, दूसरों को क्या बोलूं।
ठीक है,
यस प्रभु
ठीक
जी।
है, अब सब लोग समझ गए, अब सभी लोग समझ गए हैं, वाणी माता आ जाएगी, आ गई है, तो हम लोग मीटिंग क्लोज कर सकते हैं। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, I have one more question.
Oh, अच्छा। I thought Vani Mataji just came. I was just teasing her, saying.
Yes, Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah, we were just wrapping up, Mataji.
Yeah, sorry Prabhuji, I missed the deadline. I came to my mom's house and we had a couple of people out there, so kind of missed it, Prabhuji. Sorry.
No. I was just teasing, Mataji. No problem. We'll explain again what to do. Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ, माता आनंदनी माताजी बताइए माताजी, sorry.
हाँ प्रभु जी, मैं सोच रही थी कि जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि that once you start sending the invite and join the group, and people will send, whoever is in a part of one small group, then they will send in their own groups. Now I'm not a part of any group, and nor do I know anyone here. Just one or two people.
Then you will need help from the likes of Jyoti Mataji and others.
ठीक है, so that is my channel.
That is your channel. You have to get into as many groups of Abra as possible.
Okay, so there is a Telegram group here.
हाँ,
उसमें डाले?
हाँ उसमें डालो, हमारे यहाँ भी Telegram में डाला है.
अच्छा.
Even in Avatar we kept it in Telegram. There are like 1700 people in Telegram. We kept it there. उसमें से maybe 7 people will join. Then we wash their feet. Maybe another 10 people will join. You know the process.
ठीक है, तो मतलब वो कॉपी पेस्ट मैसेज उधर करना है टेलीग्राम में, और उसके थ्रू व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप उसमें लिखना है कि ज्वाइन दिस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, उसमें आ जाएगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप.
हाँ, उसमें क्लिक करोगे सीधा व्हाट्सएप में आ जाएगा.
ठीक है, ओके.
Yeah, they just have to click in that link where from you keep in Telegram or WhatsApp. वो लिंक व्हाट्सएप का क्लिक करते ही वो आके आपके व्हाट्सएप में ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे.
ठीक, थैंक यू.
हाँ, थोड़ा हैंड होल्डिंग करना पड़ेगा, पीछे पड़ना पड़ेगा, तो
ठीक है प्रभु जी. अभी पहले मतलब let me take my steps, उसके बाद
हाँ. Wherever it's not going as fast, please, I think Sucharita Mataji and Poona Mataji are very enthusiastic. You have a very good team.
ठीक है.
So, and Jyoti Mataji also. So let us see how it goes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
और किसी और को कोई प्रश्न है? Santosh Prabhu, you are calm. Everything is okay?
It's okay, Prabhu. We have created the WhatsApp group and people are joining us.
Wonderful. You are absolutely on the spot. Yeah.
It's going.
Yeah, Damodar Mataji, बताइए, Damodar Priya Mataji.
Sorry, Prabhuji, for asking too many questions. I was wondering, so if say I don't have my own Zoom, do we have to pay or anything for is there a limit for number of people joining the Zoom call?
Yeah, you will have to get a Zoom for yourself if you don't have it.
Okay.
or just check in your friends if somebody has one.
Okay.
Because क्या होता है ना माता जी, if you go with free Zoom, it only lasts for 40 minutes, and
Right.
I think there is a number of people limit also on that. So it's first, I think Zoom buying you can do even in the last week. It only takes 1 day to finish the whole thing.
Okay. Okay.
So
You can
anyway,
use Google Meet also.
हाँ.
It is
But
free.
yeah, but we made the poster with Zoom now, Prabhuji. So better
Okay.
to, yeah, even for 1 month you can subscribe and again unsubscribe Zoom.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Prabhu.
so
I
that
just
is,
wanted to, and also like you will help us, right? How to do the Zoom, like, because I never hosted anything on Zoom. I've only been joining in a Zoom session. So
yeah. Then Mati, what you can do, download a trial version and do with a couple of your friends.
okay.
Just slice and dice things, how to share, how it's very simple actually. When you do it once, you'll get to know how to share. There will be a video button, mute button. So participants, I think it's, if you spend like half an hour on it, you'll get all the features.
Okay, Prabhu.
In between your friends, you can give the control to them. They can show their video, and again you can show your video, and then you can allow them to share their video. So this all is like click of a button. Itna difficult nahi hai. I think once we do it, we'll get it.
And also, Prabhuji, you're saying that like those who like people don't have to download the app, right? They can directly like they also have to participants also have to download the app just in case for safety side.
For good performance, yes. Otherwise, through web also they can join.
Okay.
Yeah, through web also they can join, but I think most of them have Zoom, definitely. It's
Okay.
become almost like WhatsApp now.
Okay.
But you can encourage them to download. It doesn't charge. They don't have to subscribe anything to download Zoom.
Okay.
It is free. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's why you have to do one mock. One mock you have to do. As I said, somewhere around 2nd of the month, you'll have to encourage them to join and do one kind of a mock trial where they feel, how to click on the video button and that button. Wait a second. So this role, I'll show you. So as I said in the activities, see, this role is very critical here. This one, this calling the families and filling the registration sheet. This role will determine the success of this whole thing. The success of the whole thing depends on this one row number 4. How nicely we are able to connect with people and how much effort we are putting on each person to make them again, to call them again, not just once, and make sure that they know how to use and they're comfortable. So then you call them all personally to come on the 2nd for a mock trial. The 2nd can be 10th also, depending on you. You can choose whenever you want to do. Before the actual execution, if once they do it together, it will be nice. That's the whole idea. There will be surprises, Prabhuji and Matajis. There will be a lot of surprises as we go forward. We don't have answer for every situation. I think Krishna as Paramatma will guide us, what to do when it comes. Yeah. So these are once again, I'll repeat. So these are the main activities that we all have to do. You'll have to create a team of viewers to do these activities. One is to send the invites, and the invites I've already sent, as I've shown you in the WhatsApp here today. Yesterday we have created a poster for every community, like Avatar, as you can see here, Trendset, Green Grace, Abra, Aditya DSR, Aspire Towers. Pani Mataji, can you see your poster here? And this is your number. And
Yes, Prabhuji, I can see.
And this is the Janmashtami at Aspire Tower. This is a WhatsApp group that you have to create, right? With this name only. With this name only created. And then take the link of that WhatsApp group and then go to this message that I've sent. In this message, there is a place. Step 1, you have to change this link here with your link. When you do that, automatically on the top, this will change. Janmashtami from I Am Avatar, it will change to Janmashtami at Aspire Towers. And then just take this whole thing and start sending it. Here you have to change your numbers. Read this whole invite. It basically says what they have to do. But still we have to call and explain what they have to do. Right? So it kind of gives a baseline. So I'll tell you one thing. Now this invite is so big. 80% people will not read the whole thing. Right? So this is only for them to click it. Then you call them and explain everything. And the next invite that you should send, you should create on your own should be like this much. That's it. Please join. Here is the link. Please join. Here is the link. Reminder 1, reminder 2. or birthday is coming, you have to put a countdown. So you have to be creative in sending reminders in that, in your community groups. So people don't become irritated. At the same time, they'll be encouraged to come and join. So as soon as they click this, they will come into your group, and in that you are going to see these people as they join. This is 3 right now. It can become 100. Krishna blessing. Then you have to go to each person and then call them, right? And then call them, and this calling activity will be a big task from 3rd of August to 8th of August. Till 3rd, we'll allow them to join. Keep on making them join. From 3rd onwards, start calling them, and you can have multiple responsibilities to call them if there are too many people joining. And then you have to, when you call, you have to fill up this sheet. You have to create your own template, like a participant name, block number, flat number, mobile number, and what they are planning to offer, and any remarks, something like this. So once you have the sheet ready, then you have to give a number to each family. You don't have to give them then. You can give them at the end. Once you have maximum registrations by, say, 10th of August or 8th of August, right? Then you can assign them a number, maybe do a mock trail, calling them all, and then do an actual execution. Even actual execution, depending on how many people you will get by 8th of August, you will decide how long session you are planning to do. 3 hours, 5 hours, whatever the time it is, right? And then you will have to give a service to for someone in your group to capture pictures, and then collate all of them in one folder and send it to Lakshmikant Prabhu. Multiple people might be needed for capturing pictures, because if the session is too long, nobody will sit for 5 hours and keep on clicking. Of course, it will be enjoyable, but it's better to have more than one devotee. So they can all collate it into one person, and then they can send it to Lakshmikant Prabhu for the whole community. Prabhuji will make an album and send it back, which you can distribute to every family, again through the same WhatsApp. Okay. So better to have more number of people for actual execution, because comparing for so many people for so many hours for one person will be difficult. So you can switch roles. You can do the first hour, then second hour you can give it to somebody. So just give a heads up that we might need you from 1 o'clock, depending on how long you're planning to do. So is that okay? Did everybody get what we discussed?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, I think Shilpa Mataji just came. So Shilpa Mataji, did you get the whole message?
Sorry, Prabhuji, I was in another call, so just got over and I had to join now.
Okay. My God, I'm tired of listening.
Prabhuji, I might have to take
Have you recorded, Prabhuji, have you recorded this Zoom session?
No.
It's saying recording.
Recording, yeah, it is recording, I believe.
Oh, it's recording? Okay.
Yeah, then you can
Okay,
maybe.
then I have not gone live on YouTube though. 1 second, let me just see. Is it recording? Yeah, it is recording. So I'll put it on YouTube and sell the link, Mataji.
Sure. Yeah, please do so, Prabhuji. Even I missed the first few.
Yeah. I think I already told this is what it is.
Yeah.
You need to basically start calling your team. That is the most important thing. I was just asking who all started calling, who all started making the team. So for DSR, we have Shilpa Mataji, Jyotsna Mataji, Anupriya Mataji. And I will encourage you to have locals from your community, because when they participate, Krishna will give some mercy, they'll become encouraged, right? So it shouldn't be like, only our team is executing. So let's have some new people joining and joining with you. It can be your neighbor, it can be whoever is interested.
Sure. So today I and Anu Mataji already discussed about this, but in detail we will discuss. I'll also hear the recording.
Yeah. Did you see your banner already?
Yes.
Okay. Your banner is there and the write-up is there. So you have to just change your WhatsApp group name. You have to create a WhatsApp group. And WhatsApp group name is also given in the banner below. With the same name, if you can create it, and the link, if you can post in the write-up that I sent, it should be good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think some of them have still calls, office calls. So I will put this recording in the YouTube. And Aarti Mataji, maybe you can share that recording with your team and Anandini Mataji, and again hear it what we discussed. So any questions? You call for a meeting. We have the separate group, all communities group, right?
Yes.
So we can again reconvene if there is a need after a week or so for half an hour, and we can see how much help anybody needs.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
Hare,
Prabhuji.
yeah. Thank you, everybody. I don't think Lovesh Prabhu has joined Hare Priya Mataji, so I don't know what's happening there. Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare
Thanks,
Bol.
Prabhuji.
Dandavat.
One more question, Prabhuji. Now I'll be able to see the the YouTube link. I mean about the recording.
Yeah, I have to post once we all come
Uh,
out. Then in another maybe half an hour, I'll post it, Mataji.
oh, okay, okay, sure, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, Balaji Prabhu, oh, Hare Krishna. I didn't observe that you were there.
Sorry, when I joined, actually there is internet issues here. It is
Oh, really?
disconnected once.
Okay, okay. I was just telling that what we discussed also.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, the ideas that we discussed. I was showing the same template that you had created, no?
Yeah, correct. Correct. Probably you can share that as well. Like,
Yeah, I can share that. I will share it, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Of MHA, we have to change only the.
Yeah. Sure, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.